Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I'm going to show you how to make some quick and easy fall DIYs using mostly Dollar Tree items. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and now let's craft. Alright, starting with my first project, I will be using one of these bamboo table torches. Now I got this from the Dollar Tree and I got it during summer. I know it's still summer, but like where they have their summer season stuff, or spring. I don't remember which one, but you can find this during spring or summer. I'm not sure if they still carry these. I haven't been to Dollar Tree lately, but if you get to see one of these, you should definitely pick one of these up because you can turn this into a beautiful vase. So now I'm going to start by removing the can, and to do that I did have to cut this piece of string. I don't know what material it is or what kind of string it is. It's almost like a hard reef, so I'm not sure what it is. But anyways, you do want to make sure you save that because you are going to need it. Now once I am done removing the can, I am going to glue the piece of string back together. But this time, instead of like gluing it around it or like putting this around, I am going to put this inside the little bamboo sticks. That is so when you like grab it together, the bamboo sticks don't move in towards in the inside. Hopefully I made sense. But this is how it's going to look. The next thing I will be doing is covering this with some nautical rope. I am using 2 packs. Now you can either use nautical rope or some jute twine. That's totally up to you. I am going to start by gluing it at the top, working my way down to the bottom. And this is how it looks once I was finished. Now the best thing about this is that you can use this all year round just by switching the greenery. Since it's fall, I am adding some fall greenery, and I got this from the Dollar Tree. But that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. For my next project, I'm going to make a beautiful sign, and to do that I am using one of these Dollar Tree wood hanging decors signs. Now I'm going to start by removing the string, and I'm going to use some white paint to paint like this side white, and I'm only doing like a small piece because I am going to do that in a reversible stencil. I will be using these poster sticker letters that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put the word pumpkin going down. So now I'm going to mix different paints to make like this clay color, like that brown dark orange color. So to do that, I am mixing this color orange from the brand Waverly. It's called Pumpkin, a little bit of brown, and some red paint. So I'm going to paint that entire sign, and I'm going to paint over the stickers. Once everything's dry, I'm going to gently remove the stickers. As you can see, it did bleed through, so I'm going to use a tiny brush and some white paint to fix that. Once I am done fixing this is how it turned out. Look how beautiful this looks. Now you can honestly just leave it like this, which that is what I did. I just added some jute twine at the top to decorate it some more. I was going to put Hello Pumpkin, but I felt like I have already so many signs that say Hello Fall or Hello Pumpkin, so I just decided to leave it like that. Using some jute twine, I am going to make a bow and then add it to my sign. And that is it. Look how beautiful this pumpkin sign turned out. And that is it for today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Please give this a thumbs up, and until next time, bye.